So today we're going to be taking apart this Toshiba hard drive enclosure. So the first thing we're going to do is unplug everything because we can't access the data on this. Oh, there we go. Gotta pop this off. And this case is not made to be put back together ever again once you take it apart, so just a mental note. So it works perfectly fine, you want to use it again, don't take it apart. There we go. So you're gonna pry because it's got these like clips here. Yeah, so you gotta pop these little pins out, which is impossible. Do that on your own, and that's how you get the hard drive. And you could still probably pop this back together. But hard drive's kaput. So you got those pins under there, and you had to get under there to those, which I don't even know how you do that. If they made it so you couldn't take it apart on purpose, but yeah. You just gotta take this apart, and you got the hard drive. And that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like more of these videos, and let me know if there would be a different way you would do it. And then once you get the case off of the hard drive, just to pop this out. And pop this device off unless it's screwed in. No. And then voila, you can plug it into a normal hard drive or whatever, and that's basic disassembly. If you want to reassemble it, you probably just push back together if it's still workable, or just move on. But if you guys have any suggestions on what to do in the future, please let me know down in the comment section below.